Hi, my name is Ali. I am from United Kingdom. I do live in Cardiff. Basically, I'm here as an international student. I'm doing ACCA here from London School of Business and Finance. And hopefully, after the completion of ACCA, I will go at for my MBA from University of Wales. So basically, the reason to join this course is that I feel that I have a good book knowledge, but the problem is I feel myself that I have a lack of ability to speak and basically to convey my opinion as perfectly as I know actually. So this was the basic reason to join the course. Further, as I had been doing job in my home country as a lecturer, so I think it would definitely be helpful to enhance my ability and skills regarding speaking in public and so on. So the third thing about the speaker, my favorite speaker, I can't say right now because right now I'm not in a position to tell you about a specific person that he is my favorite speaker or the orator that I like much from others. I do listen different people. The different people discuss different topics and different subjects. So it depends on the nature of the topic they are talking about. So it's my opinion. It might be wrong. So but the core thing is that right now it is not possible for me to tell you the exact or specific person that who has inspired me regarding his speech in public, etc., etc. Only for this right now. Thank you.